To find out all the hidden apps on iPhone, go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then just wait for few seconds. Here you will be able to see all the applications that are present in your iPhone, even though the app is hidden from the home screen of your iPhone. So you have to go on looking all the applications, and you will also have to know which apps icons are present on the home screen. So this will be one way. Now the next way is swipe the screen to the left so that you can open this app library, and here the applications are arranged in different categories like suggestions, recently added, social, etc. So here also you will be able to see all the application, even though the applications are hidden from the home screen of the iPhone. And suppose if you see any app that is hidden from the home screen of the iPhone, what you do is, suppose if this is hidden, Viber, I will tap and hold, and then you have to select this option, add to home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.